Sometimes the best moments come from the simplest memories. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I created this cinematic video in Filmora using simple tools that anyone can use. So let's get started. When you open Filmora, the first interface looks like this. First, click on Import and import all the clips you want to use in your video. Now drag all the clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the order that looks best. Once everything is in place, trim each clip to around 2.5 to 3 seconds and keep only the best part of every shot. This makes your video more engaging and keeps the pacing fast. Now let's add some cinematic transitions. Go to the Transitions tab. For this video, I'm using light film sweep, fold transition, drag up left, and cross transition. These transitions create smooth movement between clips and give your video a clean cinematic look. To add a transition, simply search for its name. Let's start with light film sweep. Drag and drop it between two clips. Then set the transition duration to 0.20 seconds. Now repeat the same process with fold transition, drag up left, and cross transition. Keep every transition duration at 0.20 seconds. Using the same duration throughout the video helps everything feel smooth and consistent. Next, let's add sound effects to make the transitions more satisfying. Go to the Audio tab, then open Sound Effects. Search for sounds like paper rustle, paper flip, paper tear, paper crumple, or different whoosh effects. For this example, I'm using paper rustle. Simply drag and drop it underneath the transition. Continue adding different sound effects wherever they fit naturally. These small details make a big difference and give your video a much more professional feel. Now let's add some text. Go to the Titles tab, choose any text preset, and drag it onto the timeline. Edit the text however you like and customize the font, color, size, and animation to match your video. Next, let's enhance the overall look. Go to the Effects tab and search for Silent Film 2. Drag and drop it onto the top layer so it applies to the entire video and gives everything a more cinematic look. Finally, let's add the background music. Go to the Audio section and open the music library. You can use soft piano, lo-fi, or any cinematic music that matches your video. For this project, I'm using a warm and romantic wedding-style soundtrack because it perfectly matches the mood. Simply drag and drop the music onto the timeline, trim it to fit your video, and adjust the volume. And that's it! In just a few simple steps, we've turned ordinary clips into a cinematic video using Filmora. With the right transitions, sound effects, text, effects, and music, you can create a clean, professional-looking video in just a few minutes. Now, let's enjoy the final result.